I found this question on the internet. How do you prevent them from seeing private appointments, like doctor's appointments? And this is in reference to your Google Calendar. But first, we're going to go to our Google Calendar here. So when you set up your private appointments, let's open one. This is a regular appointment, but we're going to make it into a private one. As you can see, all the different steps to creating the appointment are listed here. Underneath event details, scroll down to notifications. As you'll see here, busy and default visibility. This is a private appointment, your doctor's appointment. You will make this appointment private. And then event details are visible only to guests or people who have full access. Otherwise, it'll just show as busy. If you want it to show as free, it'll show as free, but the goal is to not have anyone else see the appointments. So if you want them to be private, mark them private. And then save. And if it's recurring, you save this in following events. If it's just a one-time thing, or all events, because you've created a number of those appointments. Hope this was helpful. If you've got questions about Google Workspace, drop them below. I find these questions on the internet. I would love to answer your questions, so drop them in the comments below.